When exams arrive, panic takes over, but you can handle this. Four exams in a single week feels impossible, but let's break it down. Math, history, biology, and literature, all demanding your attention. Without a plan, confusion takes control. Focusing on just tomorrow's exam means failing the rest. Step 1. Build a strategic study schedule.
Carefully plan each day so your energy goes where it matters most.
Give more time to the subjects that scare you most. One by one, you reduce stress and take control. Step 2. Organize your topics by difficulty. Red is hardest, yellow is medium, green is easy, but don't start with green. Always start with the hardest topics first.
Step 3. Test yourself. Active recall builds real memory.
Teach out loud. When you explain, you learn twice. Short on time? Watch lectures at double speed.
Stop rereading. Active recall is stronger for memory.
Step 4. Reward progress, even small wins.
Celebrate your progress. It keeps you motivated.
With strategy and practice, you walk into exams with confidence. Success isn't about studying harder, it's about studying smarter.